The original battery of our Dyson V7 has lasted us 4 years or more, and now it barely lasts in operation. So we're going to replace it with this one, non-original battery. And we have bought from Amazon. And by the way, we will also explain how to change the filters. Here we see the box it comes in. Come on, let's see what it brings. 3 small filters for the top area of the engine. An after engine filter. A screwdriver and 3 screws. A brush. And the battery that comes protected with this plastic. We see that the new battery has much more capacity. Here I leave the total data in case someone wants to pause the video and compare. We located the screws that carry 3. They are star Phillips head and let's get it out. It is already unscrewed and we see that it comes out easily. Once this is done, we place the new battery that fits perfectly. And we tighten the screws again. Here we see in detail where the screw goes. And lastly, screw this one on top. Well, you can already see what the battery is, which has been changed and working. Now we are going to change the engine filter. It is very simple, and the original already we had taken out and washed several times. It only goes under pressure. It comes out by pulling this piece. Let's put in a new one of the ones that came. We put the new one in and that's it. And as for the after engine filter, there are 2 models of Dyson V7. One that wears it and another that doesn't. Mine doesn't. He carries it, so I can't record it. But we see in this other video that is made with a very easy half turn. If you like the video, I hope you give it I like it. Look at my other channel content, and if you'd like to subscribe. Greetings and see you in the next video.